0, 1. Let's get started.
Wait, that one doesn't have a light on it. This one does.
Hey!
Stop singing. Today we're going to compare the TRAXXAS Rustler to the HyperGO.
Good.
Oh, that's real good.
All right, did you see how you slid that in? Slide that into the spot and clip it in. Or plug it in and then clip it in. There you go, now it's in. Okay, slide that to the back and then twist that shut. Is it shut?
Yeah, it's shut.
Mostly, right?
Yeah.
Okay, now see if you can power it on.
All right. See if we can power this on.
Hey. Hey, all right. Put the shell on. Let's take it outside. Whoa.
It landed. Oh.
Wow. Sick.
Now I got it.
Can you tell me the name of it?
This is the what? Let me see what it says here. It says
Rustler
Rustler
TRAXXAS.
Rustler TRAXXAS, and here we got the instructions. Can you get me some scissors, please?
Can you tell me the speed?
Does it say?
Remember, up to
40? Up to 40?
yeah.
It goes up to 40. Wait, now?
Yeah.
So we're gonna compare the TRAXXAS Rustler to the HyperGO and see which one is better and funner at the skate park. And we're gonna be heading to the downtown skate park,
Hopefully.
hopefully.
0, 1. Let's get started.
Oh, that's real good.
Nice.
You've got to get a hold of yourself.
Ain't nobody stopping me. Ain't nobody stopping me. Ain't nobody
On your mark. Get set. Go.
Ain't nobody stopping me.
like, this one is the most goodest, the TRAXXAS Rustler, because I like about the Rustler, it clips on, it doesn't have pins like the other. Mommy, and it goes I like this one way better than the front goes down, I would just like battery life in both RCs.
We hope you liked our RC car review. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments.